Hello everyone, welcome to our exciting journey into the world of chemistry. Today, we are going to explore a fascinating concept known as ionic bond. First, let's understand what an ionic bond is. An ionic bond is a type of chemical bond that involves a metal and a non-metal ion through electrostatic attraction. In simpler terms, it's a bond formed when one atom gives up one or more electrons to another atom. Now, let's dive a bit deeper. Why does this happen? Well, it's all about achieving a stable electron configuration. Atoms tend to gain, lose, or share electrons until they have 8 electrons in their outermost shell, a state which is most stable. This is often referred to as the octet rule. Let's take an example. Consider sodium a metal and chlorine a non-metal. Sodium has 1 electron in its outermost shell and chlorine has 7. Sodium donates its 1 electron to chlorine. Now, sodium becomes a positively charged ion and chlorine becomes a negatively charged ion. Opposite attracts and this forms an ionic bond, resulting in the compound sodium chloride, which is common table salt. The same thing happens with magnesium and oxygen. Why don't you grab a piece of paper and a pencil and draw the resulting ionic compound magnesium oxide? Please pause the video and resume when you are done. Magnesium transfers 2 electrons to oxygen, forming magnesium 2 plus and oxygen 2 minus. The resulting ions are electrostatically attracted to one another, forming an ionic bond. Did you remember to include the charges on the ions? Now let's look at calcium and chlorine. Calcium loses 2 electrons to form a calcium 2 plus ion. One of the electrons is transferred to one chlorine atom, and another is transferred to another chlorine atom, forming 2 chlorine ions. Calcium 2 plus is electrostatically attracted to both chlorine ions because opposite charges must balance each other out. In all 3 examples, the resulting ionic compounds have an overall neutral charge because all charges are balanced out. And as a wrap on ionic bonds, they are all around us, in the salt we use in our food, the chalk we write with, and even the sand on our beaches. So the next time you sprinkle some salt, remember the incredible journey of those tiny ions coming together. Stay curious and keep exploring the amazing world of chemistry. Until next time, happy experimenting! If this is your first time watching my videos, make sure you hit the subscriber button. Thank you for watching.